So, Chip, this is for you. I have the most outdated beige Formica countertops. Looks like 1985 in the kitchen. How can I update them without breaking my bank? And that's from Chanel.
Chanel, are you here?
Hit it.
Please come up here with me.
There's Chanel.
In fact,
It's adorable, Doc.
Chanel, I act like I licked it. I didn't. Nobody gets it. You get this. I'm sharing mine.
Oh, thanks.
I'm sharing mine.
Thanks.
We are talking Formica. Who has Formica countertops? Lots, and you have Formica
These are
countertops.
nicer than mine.
These are nice butcher block countertops, but Formica is kind of like that entry level, that whole genre of the 80s, 90s. It's still like that sweet spot, but everybody wants to do something with them. I'm going to show you guys a $20 fix that can upgrade it to a monolithic slab feel that you can do in a day. So this is very, very simple. Here, are you gonna? You want me to take that from you, or are you gonna eat it? You're not gonna eat it?
I'll take one back.
Okay, good.
You can't resist. It's so good. I'm telling you.
You try to take it away, and then suddenly
I'm cheersing you from
evokes,
afar.
I don't
response.
want marshmallow everywhere.
No, you're good. You look beautiful. So similar as I showed earlier, we like to give it a little tooth, a little bit of sand.
Give it a little rub down.
Then we're gonna prime it. Again, smoothness is key here, right? When we're done that monolithic slab, which basically means it's all one color, all one sheen, we don't want ripples and brush marks or foam roller marks in it. So we wanna make sure that we're being very deliberate. What I'm gonna show you is how we do that. Actually, why don't you, I'm gonna eat on your ice cream.
All right.
Okay, so what we want to do, get the foam roller nice and full, even more. Let's
Even
just,
more?
yeah, juice it up. Don't be scared.
Okay.
Now, what we want to do is we want to keep that wet edge that I was telling you about. What does that mean? When we overlap, we don't want the roller to get dry. So go ahead and start over here and just give it a good pressure, good even pressure, and now return it. Perfect. Now, what we want to do is keep the same amount of paint on there. One of the challenges when you're doing a countertop is that light will hit the countertop and you'll see any irregularities. So smooth, simple coats. We're gonna let this dry either less than an hour.
It's strangely soothing watching her
It
do
really
that.
is. We're all like,
Isn't it?
We're all like,
Now again, this whole kit right here is less than $20. And it's not hard, right? Go ahead and get you a little bit more in there. Now what you're gonna wanna do is you're recoating. This is where people typically go wrong. They either look at it and they're like, oh, yeah, just keep it going. Keep that wet edge. This is your wet edge right here. Now we're gonna get a little, you know.
Oh, you want me to-
there we go.
okay,
That's perfect. What we're gonna do is either recoat it under an hour while it's still pretty wet, or we're gonna wait 24 hours before coating again. That's what ends up messing up the finish for you, okay? You don't want to coat it again after like 3 or 4 hours. It jacks
That'll
everything
mess it up.
Jacks
Right.
everything up. Yep. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna show what we end
Ta-da!
up with. Now what's exciting is we can actually tint and color match this to like 20 different colors.